Welcome back to the Spice Magic. Today I'm making Sabudana khichdi for breakfast. So here I've taken ghee 1 tablespoon. I'd soaked the Sabudana overnight. I'm adding 50 grams of grounded peanut powder, mostly. I've added jeera to the ghee. Then I'm adding in slit green chilies, thalipeeth, curry leaves. Now to this mixture I'll be adding 1.5 Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Here I'll give it a good mix with the sabudana. Mix it all well together. Here I'll be adding this to the ghee. Now before that I had boiled few potatoes and I had sauteed it in the ghee and removed it. Now I'll be cooking the sabudana well in the ghee for around 10 minutes. And then in the later stage I'll be adding in the potatoes. Mix it well. So here I'll be crumbling the sabudana and I'll be doing a slow cooking for around 7 to 10 minutes. So here is the sabudana ready to eat. Enjoy your breakfast with fresh yogurt. Tasty, healthy and yummy. If you like, please do subscribe to the Spice Magic. Thank you in advance.